Okay, so what we have done yesterday was talk about the ad campaign settings, and after that, creating ads and creating ad extensions, all the 9 extensions we have. After that, today's agenda will be how we can create the Google display campaign. Okay, and once we create the Google display campaign, then how to run it, how to create ads, ad groups, and targeting options, we will learn in detail today. So that is the overall agenda for today's training. In case you have any doubts from your previous training, please let me know. If there is no doubts, and just press 1 into the chat box quickly, guys. If you don't have any doubt, if you have a doubt, please go ahead and ask your doubts one by one by raising hands. Okay, Aditya has a doubt. Apart from Aditya, anyone else who has a doubt, please raise your hand so that it becomes easier for me. I can line up people. Shiva says he needs to understand, I believe, ROAS bidding strategy. Okay, I will explain that. Aditya, you can go ahead and ask your question, please.
Yeah, so I have on my AdWords account, I have created one ad and a couple of ad extensions. Whatever ad extensions were relevant in my business, I have created all of them. And I did this yesterday night, and I'm seeing this now that a few of them have approved, a few of them have not been approved.
Okay. You can share your screen, Aditya. It would be great. Let me make you a co-host for next few minutes so that you can share your screen. There is no option of making you a co-host. So I'm making you a host. You can share your screen, and then
I'll make you host back.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead and share your screen. I'm unsharing it.
So everybody can see?
Yeah, we can see your screen, Aditya.
Okay, so this is my account in the name of my domain name, Aditya.
Okay.
So as I understand, this is the dashboard, right? It is under all campaigns. So I have created this campaign. I think no. So the campaign name will come here. Ad group. So I've created one particular ad group.
It says eligible misconfigured. Can you click, put your cursor over there?
Okay.
Yeah, because I have never seen bidding strategies misconfigured because conversion setting you. Oh, okay, fine. Go ahead. I will tell you what the solution is and why it is done. Go ahead.
So I've created first this ad group called home loan, wherein I had selected a couple of keywords. So I'm not too sure whether those keywords are good for my business or not. I'm not sure of that. But yes, based on my
don't use brand names, because the less chances people will believe you and sign up on your website. Because somebody who is looking for HDFC loan, he will take HDFC loan. He know from where he will get and how to get it approval as well, most of the time. So don't use brand name, use generic names like home loan applications, home loan good account, sort of thing.
Okay, but ultimately we get the loans done from any of these popular banks like HDFC, ICICI.
That is what your product is. But somebody searching HDFC loan will go to HDFC only. Will not come to a third party and go to HDFC bank. Getting my point? That is what journal mentality is of the user, because he is sure that he has to pay something to you. So you want to first save that amount, and once his application gets rejected, then obviously he will come.
So what you mean is there is no point targeting in a keyword having a brand name of a bank or something, because
yeah,
it will go waste ultimately, because that
yeah,
is not your target customer for the moment. That's
yeah.
what we're saying. That's a good tip.
Go
Okay,
ahead.
so
What was the issue?
so then add. So yeah, so you can see here. So this is the ad which I created. So I'll first click here.
You use HDFC as a word. Okay.
नहीं वो आ रहा है, I think तभी it's saying trademarks in the ad text, so I need to remove this then probably. No, but लेकिन अब ये तो scheme ही HDFC की है, ये तो मतलब we are targeting a scheme of particular, तो मतलब ये कि हम mention ना करें, we just say home loans at the rate 7.5%.
First, correct. First problem is HDFC is a registered trademark. They must have submitted their documents to it. Wherever HDFC comes, they will block it up.
So I can simply edit this to say simply just home loans at the rate 7.5%.
Yeah.
Okay. But यहाँ पर भी display path में भी हटा देना.
हाँ, everywhere. What is BT over here?
BT is balance transfer. So
people don't understand. Zero processing fees is fine. Okay, it's a term in itself. Zero processing fees is fine. Don't write balance transfer. I don't know how many people understand balance transfer.
That's the generic hai. Anybody who's running a loan, he will understand balance transfer. Okay. The scheme is actually zero fees is not on a new loan. It is on a balance transfer only. Okay. This scheme is only for an existing home loan customer who wants to. Okay. So that for balance transfer is the product actually.
Okay. Fine. Rest of the ad is.
It's fine. You think with like I couldn't understand what all to write in 90 characters. But here I've written some features, and here I've written the places, assuming that people will search for, say,
and don't write apply now online. People know that already.
Okay.
If they have to reach you out, if they have to apply online only, no? Don't give call to action direct. It's automatically understood by user.
We can edit here then.
You can add more content to it in 30 characters. That's all. Add a couple of trust factors. Trust factor is what you have missed. You have talked about your product in detail, but you have not talked about trust factor, that 10 years, like you have been running this business for 10 years. So that trust factor is missing. That should be your headline first. Okay. Get top-up loan up to 50 lakh is something which people, if doesn't know, doesn't matter really. But if says you have been into this industry for 10 years, make more sense for the user. Okay. So rest a problem is you haven't set up the conversion rate. When it shows na misconfigured, you have not set up the conversion tracking code. That I will tell you how to do it. And this is a part of today's training as well. But let's start with display campaign, and then we will come to setting up the tracking code. You can share the rights with me back again.
Yeah. So just last thing, I had made some extensions also. So like for every campaign, we should make as many extensions as possible, and then let Google decide which one to pick. That strategy should be there. So like site link extension has to be minimum 4, as you said. Huh?
Yeah.
So here again, I've mentioned HDFC. So this I will remove because it is saying approved limited trademarks in ad tag. So this we should not be showing them. Okay.
Whenever it says na approved limited, it means Google is not going to run that. It's simple way of saying not approved.
Not approved. Okay.
Okay.
I'm saying, and only this is the punctuation and symbol.
Punctuation error. You have used in colons and hyphens, na?
This is not allowed.
Twice. So @ also multiple. So you can't use these special characters a lot. Okay, so that is what the issue is. Punctuation is primarily that. Thank you, Aditya. You can share the.
I made you the host.
Thank you. Thank you. So let's start with the display campaign, guys. How to create a display campaign? First of all, you should have a reach planner active. Even it is not active on my account as well, I believe, unless and until they have activated it recently. No, if they haven't activated. So reach planner is primarily a tool through which you can plan, like keyword planner, you can plan your keywords and everything. Similarly, reach planner is a tool through which you can plan all your reach, where you can come and show your website, make it all the options available for you. Okay, but it is disabled in most of the accounts after a beta version update from Google AdWords. This has been under review for very long, and it will remain under review for beta version testing for more 6 months more now, and after that it will be available for everyone very soon. Okay, till the time you can reach out to your Google representative. If you guys allow me, I can write to my Google representative too. Uh, if you guys give me a minute.